hello and welcome to the Geek Club. Tea. Oh, bit of Colombo today. Tea spelled down it, but there we go. Bit of Colombo. So, today we're going to be looking at this laptop, talking laptop computer aimed at kiddywinkles with 18 activities operated by discs. Not the discs you're thinking of, you'll see about that in a moment. With computer voice. Well, I didn't think it was going to be the voice of a snail or something, did I? This thing dates back from 1989 and I got it for, I think it was about £7 from a charity shop. Bargain. So I thought I'd show you lot the craziness of this thing. And yeah, I thought this was younger than it is, but on the back it says 1989. So, okay, we've got a bit of 80s kiddywinkle computer entertainment type stuff. So, features 18 activities including addition, number riddles, word power, blah, 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 blah. Hurry, we'll see all them in a bit. There it is, in all its plastic glory, 87 up, that's me, I'm too young, from Vtec of course. Talking laptop computer is one of the exciting Grandstand IQ builders, a complete range of, we're going to flog you this stuff, built-in computer voice. That's handy if it's built in, that means it works. 18 activities, large LCD dot matrix screen. Lies. But I suppose they were by standards of the day. Animation facility. I've tried this and I haven't come across that yet, so that's going to be interesting. Touch sensitive keyboard. I should hope it's touch sensitive. That's not going to do bugger all, is it? Easy to use instruction book. Handy. I don't want the difficult to use instruction book. A carrying handle and a fold down screen. Yay. And little descriptions of each of the programs. That's the discs, which you'll see in a moment, because I'm now going to get it out and the computer and put it on the desktop so we can see. But first of all, I have cheated. I've already taken the computer out so we can rotate it freely. But this is the easy to use instruction manual, which is, you know, the usual stuff. Not too interesting there. Yeah, songs, all sorts of stuff to play and stuff. So let's put that in there. Let's get that all there. And let's get the computer out. So let's pop it, there we go. Pop it open and let's see what we've got. We've got a big FO green area with a tiny screen in the middle. Isn't that cute? And down below we have the keyboard, which has all sorts of strange stuff on it for playing. So you've got musical notes, you've got stuff there, code, draw, shapes, animate, erase, pause, reset, all sorts of weird stuff ready for it, and some keys on here. So what we're going to do, we shall switch on, press the on button, and on comes our screen. I'm going to have to reposition again to get a good angle.
Please insert a disc.
Wow. Okay, speak and spell. Eat your heart out. Right, I'm going to quickly change the screen. Okay, so first thing, as you can see, it's asking us to insert disc. So I'll just insert this one to start with. Multiplication. And straight away it goes to multiplication. Let's zoom in to the screen. Select level.
Select level
1. This is where I'm going to embarrass myself, aren't I? Level 1. This is exciting. 4 times
What
3.
is the correct answer?
12.
1, 2,
Yay!
12. Yes, well done.
Well done. 4 times
What
2
is the
is
correct answer?
8. Enter. I think this is based on the same technology as the
Yes, well done.
speak and spell. Talking of which, right,
What
let's.
is
I
the
think we've
correct answer?
demonstrated enough of multiplication. Let's just take that out, and it will let you just take it out. There you go. Spelling. Wow, exciting.
Hello, please insert a disc.
Now I've obviously put that in the wrong way up, so. Oh no, it's taken it. Okay, select level 1.
Select a level.
This will be interesting. 1, please. Well, I don't need to That's taking time, isn't it? Jeez. Could load this game off tape in this time. Okay.
Spell the word.
Basketball? Bat? B.
B-A-S-K-E-T-B.
No, not basketball. What am I going about? Baseball. Duh.
B-A-S-E.
B-A.
A.
Double L.
L.
Enter.
Baseball.
Excrement.
Yes, well done.
Wow, I got it right. Moggy. This is going to be Moggy, isn't it?
Spell
Free line.
the word.
Oh, too easy.
A-T.
Cat. Shithead.
Yes.
Yeah, I think
well
we've seen
done.
enough for spelling. Let's have a look at something perhaps more interesting. We have...
Spell the word.
I think we'll miss out subtraction because we know what that is. Let's have a look at World Crest.
Hello, please
Hello.
insert a disk.
World Crest. And just noticed some of them have... they have
Select
other ones
a
on the back.
level.
So I'm going to just choose the more interesting stuff. Right, select level 1. Go 1. What is this? We've got, ooh, Crazy Mazes. Ooh, and Masterpiece. We'll try that one after this. Right, it's taken that long to tell us we've done level 1. The first Americans were A. Indian. B. Spanish. C. So it slows down there. Chinese.
Choose
So,
an answer.
choosing answer sounds like it's having a shit. I got it right.
Yes, well done.
Wow. Okay. What did Indians use to travel down rivers? Canoes. Think. Canoes! Yay, I'm brilliant. Can I interrupt it? Nope. Motorboats. I don't think they had motorboats
Choose an
quite
answer.
then. So let's go for A. Yay!
Yes, well done.
Okay, that's enough for Word Quest. Day to day. Let's have a look at that then. Insert disk.
Hello, please
Hello.
insert a disk.
I already have. Here we go. Day to day. What's this? Select level 1.
Select a level.
1. Level 1, yes, we know it's level 1. You told us it's level bloody 1. Select the level bloody 1. Right. When the school bus is moving, Jesus, I'm going to fall asleep in a moment. You should A. Stay seated. Well, duh. B. Stand up. C. Walk to A. Fair.
Choose an answer.
Well, I know what I want to do, but what we should do, I suppose, is A. Everything seems to be
Yes, well done.
A. Okay, day to day. How do you feel? Let's do something more interesting. Crazy mazes.
Hello, please
Hello.
insert a disk.
Yes, we've done that. Just looking for the more interesting stuff. Ooh, pictures. Okay, we're not going to go through everything, but okay. I assume we're going to use the
Find
arrows key.
the
See?
way out.
Okay. What am I doing? I have no clue what I'm doing here. Just hitting keys now. Just got to the stage where I'm just hitting keys. No clue. No clue. Right, get rid of that. Science search. Classic trivia. Piano. Go on, let's do
Hello,
piano.
please
Piano.
insert of disc.
And then piano. Okay, let's play the piano. Piano, go. I'm a musical genius. Yeah. Okay, okay. Let's have a final one. More interesting looking one. Picture race.
Hello, please insert of disc.
I already have, you tit. Right, picture race. One or two players. I'll go for one. Nobody loves me, I'm on my own. One. One player. Right, okay. Thank you for telling me I'm on my own. Select level. One.
Select level.
One. Level one. Right, okay, come on. Right. Boop, doop, doop,
Guess
doop.
the word.
Guess the word. What? E?
E.
Oh, okay, this is,
S.
Hangman, isn't it? J.
J.
T. Okay, the animation's taking a while. T.
T. D.
Desk. Yes.
K. Desk.
Yes.
Yes, well done.
Thank you. Be interesting to see what happens when I die. So, let's have a look. I'm going to
Your
purposely
score
kill
is
myself for this one.
80.
Oh, thank you. So kind.
Excellent.
I am
Guess
excellent.
the word.
Guessing the word randomly. Let's try
One.
things it just won't be, so we can die. Right.
U.
Just drawing my hangman thingy.
I.
I'm not quite sure what it's drawing, but it's drawing something. Okay.
H.
I'm guessing I've got 6 attempts.
W.
Just choosing words, letters that probably are not in it.
Q.
Come on.
Z. X.
And another one that won't be V. Oh, okay, V's in there. J.
J. The correct answer is E.
Oh, it's drawing the
V,
actual
E, N,
reference to what it
11.
should be. Okay. Not a hangman's noose. So I don't get to die as hangman. Nope. No, it's kinder to me than that.
Your
So-
score is 0.
Thank you. You're
Fair.
welcome.
Try again.
No.
Guess the word.
I'll take you out so you can't annoy me like that. So, there you have it. The talking laptop computer from 1989 from Grandstand for kiddie winkles, for little games for educational use. And I think in 1989, for a young child, that would have been fun and they could have spent many hours playing with that. And if you've got a little kid today, even today, that would be good because it's pretty indestructible too. So if you enjoy these sort of videos, retro tech, retro games and stuff like that, then please subscribe to my channel. Also like the video if you liked it, because that helps. Also have a separate channel link below if you like exploring abandoned mines, because I have a channel that does that as well. So other than that, thank you very much for watching.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.